Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. First, I want to say thank you to Professor Dr. Haji Nafan Tariwaran MHum as the lecturer of writing clinic course for the opportunity to present today. I also want to greet all of my friends who are here. Thank you for coming. My name is Dwi Puspita Sari, student ID 231230056. Okay, today I will present my research proposal. The title of my research proposal is Developing Student Example Text Writing Skills Using Mind Mapping Application, a pre-experimental study at grade 9A of SMP Negeri 7 Kota Serang. Okay, let me briefly explain what I'm going to talk about today. The first is the introduction, where I will explain the background of the study, the problems I found, and the research question. So the second part is the theoretical framework, where I will explain the key of theories and concepts behind this research. So the third part is the research method, where I will explain how the research is carried out. Okay, the first is introduction. Why this study is matters. Writing is considered the most difficult skill in learning English because it requires grammar, vocabulary, structure, and ideas all at once. So in the 2030 curriculum, grade 9 student must master example text, a short narrative that evaluates a character's attitude or behavior. It has three parts: orientation, incident, and interpretation. However, based on my research observation at SMP Negeri 7 Kota Serang, many students still struggle. Their average score was around 60 below the KKM. So the problems, I found 5 problems. The first is student cannot generate ideas before writing. So teaching is to teacher-centered. Student know the structure in theory but can't apply. So motivation is low, and there is research on digital mind mapping for example text in this context. So, okay, next. Okay, next is the research question. The first research question is what significant improvement occur in student example text writing skills after the implementation of the Nice Mind application at grade 9A of SMP Negeri 7 Kota Serang. So the second research question is how significant is the effect of the Nice Mind application on the example text writing skills of grade 9A student at SMP Negeri 7 Kota Serang. So the third research question is how well do grade 9A student understand and apply the structural elements of example text orientation, incident, and interpretation in their writing. Okay, so the second part is the theoretical framework. I use 5 theory. The first theory is example text. Example text is a narrative that evaluates a character's attitude. It follows 3 stages: orientation, incident, so interpretation, using past tense and action verb. So the second theory is cognitive process writing theory. Writing is 3 stages: planning, translating, and reviewing. Mind mapping directly support the planning stage, the most important stage for students who struggle the start writing. So the third theory is mind mapping. Tony Buzan, a visual diagram with a central idea and brain hands for related ideas. It helps students organize thoughts, reduces writing anxiety, and boosts creativity. So the fourth theory is Nice Mind application. Nice Mind is a free browser-based mind mapping tool, no installation needed. Students create color-coded brain hands here for orientation, incident, and interpretation. Then expand each branch into a full writing text. So the 5th theory is short story and it's linked to example text. Example text is a type of short story, which are bright focuses on one event and meaningful. Research short story best writing improves score significant. Okay, the third part is the research method. How the study is conducted. The first is design. This is quantitative research using a pre-experimental design. Specifically, the one group pre-test post-test design. The pattern is O1X2O2. So the participants, grade 9A student at SMP Negeri 7 Kota Serang, around 30 until 36 students selected through purposive sampling based on the English teacher recommendation. So this is the stage for the research method. The first stage is pre-test. Student write independently. So the second is teaching. I explain the example text and introduce nice mind. So the third is treatment. Student made their personal experience using nice mind, then write their text. So fourth is post-test. Student write again independently, and the five is interview. Selected students share their experience. So the last is data analysis. I will compare pre-test and post-test score using a pilot test to determining whether the improvement is statistically significant and calculate the effect size. Okay. The last is conclusion. To conclude this study, I used to help students write exemplary text better using the nice mind